Where are we?
We're at Half Price Books.
And what are we doing here?
We're going to get some books.
Yeah, the summer reading program.
Alright, you guys, if you're new to my channel, I like to do like DIYs and stuff for kids and a lot of couponing stuff, travel, stuff like that, you know, mom life. Anyway, we usually do the local library summer reading program, and I wanted to try these new ones like Barnes & Noble, Half Price Books, which is this video. What else is there? Chuck E. Cheese has one, which is pretty cool. Anyway, the whole playlist is like below. This one is about Half Price Books. Okay, so Half Price Books is really cool because, I hope this isn't shaking from like holding it up with my arm. Anyway, it's cool because you can do this twice this summer, not just once. You can do it for June and July, which is really cool. It's also cool because your kid, any age under 14, I think it was, I might be wrong, I'm gonna have to look that up. Anyway, gets $5 after reading 300 hours.
What'd you guys get? What'd you get for your summer reading?
$50!
Yeah, $5.
We got $5.
$5 to use on anything.
My kids did it in 2 weeks. I mean, it might take you all month. It doesn't matter, you know, how much they want to read like per day, as long as they get that by the end of the month. I'm going to hold you up with my other arm because my arm is tired. Anyway, they have stuff besides books at the store. They have like new books, used books, all kinds of stuff. My son actually found this really cool. Let me show you. Magnet set. Yeah, Melanie. Anyway, and this was, I think, $4, so he chose this, and then he got to choose a book. They had these for $2. I actually ended up getting him both of these because he thinks they're kind of funny, and I used to love these, to be honest, so I kind of like pushed him to hopefully like these. These are $2 a piece, Amelia Bedelia books. These are in the used section. They do have brand new books as well. My daughter, who is 3, was also able to participate. A couple of them she was not able to participate in, but most of them she was. And Half Price Books is one of the ones that she was able to participate in. She was able to get 2 books. She got this book right here, Little Baby Fiona, and another book which she actually has right now sitting with her dad reading, because it was the only way I can get through this video talking.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So what are you going to get with your $5?
I know to see
These magnets.
That's brand new. How cool is that?
I'm not
And then
seeing
Amelia
this
Bedelia. And what's Sissy going to get? 2 books? No, you have to keep the sticker on until we buy it, silly.
But anyway, it's really, you know, a simple thing. You go online. I'll try to leave the link below for you, as well as the playlist for the other stuff. But you go onto their website, you print off their paper, and you fill it out with all of your reading hours. You sign it, then you can take it in. They get $5 to use in store. You can do that for June and July. One of my favorite reading programs for sure. But yeah, that was it. Super easy, super like fast video, right? If you have any suggestions on summer reading programs I may have missed or anything like that, please let me know in the comments below. Please stay subscribed for mom life, subscribing, saving money, couponing, DIYs, and travel. All right, bye y'all, love yins.
What did you just geek out about? What are you excited for?
This calculator.
He wants a scientific calculator. Like,
I want it so bad. Here?
What'd you find?
It's the colors book, the shades book, the words book. I really love these books
You
so
do,
much.
don't you?